My name is Eddie Tofpick. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Market Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. First off, UK FTSE futures. A second bullish white soldier yesterday, but perhaps more importantly, it was a higher yet indecisive spinning top pattern. Even this was still good for those bulls out there because we closed back up over both the short moving average, currently at 65.75, and also the short medium moving average, currently at 65.75 also. What gave support to this move? You may question. Well, you've probably guessed it by now if you've been listening to any of my commentaries here. It turns out the base of the action was influenced by the June 2020 high at 65.12, if not actually touched by it yesterday. Finally, once more, a reminder, there's still a hint, only just a hint, that we may have a head and shoulders top type action building up from November 2020 to date. No more than that right now. But moving back up as we have done does not help this scenario. So far today, a higher opening and rising, what looks like right now like a bullish white soldier. That is not only challenging the high at 66.76 from last week, but the congestion mid-January between 66.66 and 6700, and most importantly of all, is looking like a challenge to the 2021 downtrend, currently at 66.83. Beyond this, we have some congestion at 67.50, and then not much until March 2020 high at 68.71. German DAX futures. A very interesting higher, yet still indecisive doji cross yesterday. What was interesting about this indecisive pattern is this. It is the 5th highest high of all time. I know, a surprising but true feature. One can identify the reason for the continuing move higher since the end of last week. It is due to the somewhat disappointing action on Friday and the break higher on Monday over all three nearby what were resistances and now supports. They are the important rising neckline, currently 13.906, of the ragged late September 2020 to date reverse head and shoulders pattern, the February 2020 high at 13.821, and the short medium moving average, currently at 13.825. The most important of all these, I suspect, was the close back up over the ragged neckline. I had to realign my daily chart to better show the action, and what did I find? Only my original target X for the proposed reverse head and shoulders pattern at 15.518. I'm wondering if that is an omen now. So far today, a continued attempt higher, and what is unique here, a new all-time high today, just pushing over early February's high, but then pulling back down a little. There's now time to also resurrect not only target X, but also the upper bull channel line, currently at 14.528. Of my old May/June 2020 to date bull channel. US E-mini S&P futures. An interesting possible bearish dark cloud cover pattern yesterday. I say possible because the bearish black mirror motor that made up yesterday's action may not be quite long enough. The market once again utilized 3 of the 4 major technical support stroke resistance levels nearby to make up the trading day. They were opening on the resistance of the important middle time, currently at 39.10, of the late December 2020 to early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork, having the short moving average, currently at 39.70, nearby and on top to assist with the bearish pressure. And finally, having January 2021 high at 38.62 as pretty rock solid support when prices fell. Seems the others out there are practicing the dark art of technical analysis, and they're quite good. So far today, utilizing the January 2021 high as support once again, though not quite as yet managing to move up and test the middle time. But there's still plenty of time. Right now the action looks like a bullish double. French CAC 40 futures. A second bullish white soldier and a proper assault overhead at the previously oft highlighted overhead upper bull channel line, currently at 58.08 of the big May 2020 to date broken bull channel. The market breached it once again, but this time decided to close right on the channel line last night, in the process making a new recent high. Overall, we are still in between the overhead middle time, currently at 59.61, and the lower time below, currently 56.79, of the December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork, though I suspect we may soon be between the middle time and the upper time, which is currently at 62.42. So far today, a small but extremely strong attempt higher. We have a new recent high, and we have also moved up over the middle time by a significant distance. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Topic and ADM Investor Service International Limited. And here comes the final bit.